Hi everybody, it's Mimi J and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you have not clicked like and subscribe and the bell so that you'll be notified, that would be great if you would do that. I have a Destash from Roxy Fur, an unboxing of that. I've actually had this for a couple of weeks. It's mostly Halloween stuff. I have not gone through it. But I have, with one exception, something when I first opened the box, it kind of fell out. It was right there on top. And I did use it in a composition journal that I made for Halloween. It's all bagged up, but because I've done one craft show and I have one more very soon. But this little butterfly with I had this myself and glued that on there. Came out of the box of Destash items from Roxy Fur. But I saved the rest to open and unbox for this video. So, without further ado, we will see what's in this big box here. We have some lace, and as I said, it's basically Halloween stuff. Oh, pretty lace. I probably won't use it till next year, but loving that lace. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Yeah, really like that. And some tulle, some black tulle. And not sure what that is exactly. Looks like some burlap. Maybe something along the lines of burlap. A little scrap of that. Some orange burlap. Generally see that, and some more tulle. Okay, so some lacy things that can be used for Halloween crafting. And let's see, we have some wood chalkboard tombstones, brand new, have not been used. Have the chalkboard there to write on, and little back that you can prop up. Cute. Well, you know, those tombstones could be cute, I guess. Why not for Halloween? Oh, this is nice. Some more ribbon, orange, glittery. That will be great to use for composition books or some other sort of craft. And, okay, here's some more lace. Ooh, loving that. With some pretty purple and ecru. Oh, look at that. You see the fly? The fly. That'll be a great decoration. Very pretty lace here. Just looks like crocheted buttons of some sort. That's what it looks like there. But, okay, so looks like yarn. Eyelash yarn in orange and in black. A little glitzy looking. That'll be fun to use. Okay, there's something like stickles maybe. I'm not sure what that is. Scribbler. Iridescent. 3D paint. Here's the stickles, and it's kind of like is it a pearl? I'm not sure. Just purple and black. Okay. Oh, cool. Some flowers, the black flowers, and they've got some kind of glittery, pearlized perhaps, or just glittery centers. That's pretty, and little stamens coming out. This will be pretty. I really like to use flowers, and I'll show you probably before I'm done a couple more of the upcycled composition books that I did that have the flowers on them. So washi tape, like that. Doesn't look like it's ever been used. And that is Teresa Collins. More ribbon, very pretty, like that. That one doesn't, that's never been opened. This one looks like it was used a little bit, but still has plenty on there. All right. This is some cool stuff. I haven't seen anything like it in my shops, and some of it may be some older things. Looks like she used one of the bats, but there are 2 left. Those are cute. More washi, Halloween colors, and that's, no idea where that's from. This is a little box that either she or someone else made and gave to her. A little bag, rather. That's cute. That's handmade. I can use it or take it apart and use what's on it. Some pretty flowers like the timepiece. This is pretty paper. I'm going to just take the front off and use it like it is. There's the back. Like that paper. Okay, some cutouts. Some very interesting spider cutouts there in the purple. Look like they're foam on the back. And some black kitty cats. All kinds of Halloween stuff. And, oh, this is cool. This is also something somebody has put together. It's a Halloween pin. Would make a nice embellishment on a composition book. Some stickers, pumpkin stickers, white with black designs on them. And yeah, she's used some of those. Oh my, I think I have some of these from the Dollar Tree. So those are just some more, the pins on the little tags there. Ooh, I like these. Teresa Collins. These are brads for Halloween. I don't have any Halloween brads, I don't think. I don't recall ever getting any of those. And here are some more. These are also the same brand. And a full pack right there. So cool. I have not seen these because, yeah, these are from past years. So here's some of those holographic stickers that change. Here's our family portrait. And here's some more stickers, laser cuts. Those are very intricate, very cool. So this one, looks like she used most of these. So I just have one. So we have some paper here. Nice. Nothing, I don't have it, so I don't know what brand this is, but it's certainly a nice one and double-sided. A few sheets right there. And this is some kind of bag. I have no idea what's in it. Cute bag with the Monster Bash tag on it. Oh, okay. So a tag here. And some other little things, ribbons, pieces of ribbon, and tags in there. I see a fence, a cutout die-cut fence can be used. Let's just dump this out here. See what else is in here. All right, tags. Oh, very nice. Witch's Brew. Look at the little broom. That's great. So, already made. This one already made. Nice. Like that. And we've got some little tickets here. And a tag. Yep. Stamped. Looks like a stamped tag. Oh, I like this one. Look at this tag. So I've got some already made. That's pretty cool. And how great to get some patterns and designs that really aren't even available now. Very, very nice. Oh, love these with the ravens, I guess. One little tag there, and another one. And it's wrapped up in plastic, but a black cat tag. Okay. Some more of the birds. And what are they sticking on? A leaf tag. Okay. I'll pull that off later. That one wants to stick to the cellophane there. Ah, look at the witch. That's a great looking witch. And that is probably stamped. Looks like it is stamped on there. Okay. Looks like a... Oh, okay. It's an index card used. and decorate it up. That would look great, yeah, on the front of a composition book or something else. I don't know exactly what I'll do with all of them yet, but there's another one. Very nice. I did not realize there were going to be so many finished things in here, or finished decorations or embellishments. You could use them as they are. Look at the bag. How cute. Oh, I am a big Halloween fan. It used to be a really fun holiday for me as a kid, just dressing up, trick-or-treating. We didn't worry much about stuff back then, and even when my kids were little, I made a lot of their costumes, most of them when they were very young. And, you know, we went in the neighborhood, took them up and down the street in the neighborhood, had a lot of fun doing that. More stamped, not totally finished, but wouldn't take much. Don't be afraid. Okay, more stamps and treat. I had no idea this is more than I imagined would be in here. Okay, and here's a little, oh, cute little flower. And that is a handmade flower there, not by me, but by Roxy probably. And so that's great. A whole bag full of goodies there. All right, great. And I don't have any, very little of what I'm seeing here is anything I have. So it may not be new. A lot of it is new, actually, and unopened. But what's not new is, as my dad would say, well, it's new to me. Okay. Oh, this is fun. Look at this, very intricate. I'd have to flatten that out some. Look at the hand. Yes, smooth. Okay, some Jolie stickers. Yeah, I have not seen these before. I like them. And here's a full pack. Ah, those are fun size little stickers. More stickers. I already saw some like that. Oh, this is making me happy. My Mind's Eye, the Brads here. And here's more for My Mind's Eye. So one full pack and one with just two missing. Loving that. Okay. Well, there was so much stuff that I had to do 2 parts. Please come back and join me for part 2, and which will be posted soon. And if you like the video, please click like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.